Peace. Okay. Messages on the painted blue bird. This bird that you've been seeing recently. Let's get messages on it. What is this pretty painted blue bird? Mother Earth, Father God. Okay. It's a sign that you're letting go, walking away. Okay. Walking away from what? Letting go of what? Okay. You're walking away from risk or a possibility of something. So they're breaking it down real easy for me. Okay. They're breaking it down real. Okay, let's do one card. One card. 3 cards came out. So this blue bird that you've seen, that you continue to see, is a sign of you letting go, walking away from something that was a risk, something that was a possibility. Okay. Letting go of a risk for a spiritual connection and to a spiritual connection. So letting go of something, moving on from something, moving on from a risk, a possibility to go into a soulmate, unity, spiritual connection. Okay. Drifting, slowly parting, disconnecting. Okay, you're letting go of whatever caused the detachment or a disconnection from the person you are having a spiritual connection with. Clarify this risk. The risk is walking away, not committed. Fidelity, infidelity. Okay. You're walking away from this. Okay. You getting serious about this spiritual connection. Okay. You don't want anybody or anything to come between it. Okay. So you're preparing for the victory, the win, and the spiritual connection to love this person as deeply as they love you. Okay. You're letting go of fear. You're letting go of what scares you and just taking the leap, jumping into this beautiful connection. And you will win. That's the good news. You will win in this beautiful connection and be fulfilled. This person is loyal, dedicated, and reliable. They love you. They have yet to say this. The energy's there. They know it. You know it. They're waiting for the right time to say it. They don't want it to come off as too soon. Okay. Shattered, damage. And they don't want their heart broken when they tell you these words. Okay. So they're taking their time so that they can get the deepest, most romantic and juiciest intimacy with you that they possibly have the capacity to receive. Okay. So they're opening up their nervous system, practicing, getting better and better for you. Okay. So they can be as close to you as possible. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that juicy reading, y'all. That was beautiful. All right. And if you enjoyed this transmission, please like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue to receive specific transmissions for you. Yeah. And I'll see y'all in another reading. Bye.